If you want to shine like a sun, you need to burn like a sun. Hi, hope you're all doing good. As you know, we are launching a short-term batch for NEET MDS 2020 in the month of May. And along with e-classes, test series, study club discussions and live sessions, we are also incorporating some new features which include role-playing sessions. In fact, we have tried these sessions a few times on previous occasions and it worked out extremely well. So in role-playing sessions, we'll have a WhatsApp discussion where we assume the roles or characters of the topics which we are discussing about. For example, we are discussing ketone bodies. So you'll have a session wherein the ketone bodies will be playing a role, discussing things with you and sharing information. So it's going to be fun, and we used to do these kind of role-playing sessions during our childhood, right? So we're trying to incorporate the same now, and I'm sure you'll enjoy these sessions. And along with that, we even have point and shoot tests. So these point and shoot tests are a totally different format where you'll have few multiple choice questions from select topics, topic wise point and shoot tests, and you will have some 10 or 15 multiple choice questions, and each question right answer plus 4, wrong answer will be losing 2 marks, which means there is 1/2 negative marking, which makes this test even more challenging. And along with that, even more challenging fact here is the limited time available for the test. For example, on an average, you get 45 seconds for each question in NEET exam. But in this scenario, you'll be allotted half the time. For example, you have 10 questions, you'll have to answer them in 5 minutes. If you have 15 questions, you'll have to answer them in 7 minutes. If you have 20 questions, you'll have to answer them in 10 minutes. So you have limited time, more negative marking, which makes this pattern even more challenging. So when you have a challenging pattern, obviously you're going to shine, you're going to excel, you're going to see a better version of yourself in the process of practicing these questions, right? So these are point and shoot tests, which we have launched quite a while ago and will be doing it on a regular basis from short-term batch. Along with that, we're also introducing Now You Know sessions. So it's very simple. We'll conduct a test on a specific topic which we'll be announcing to you prior, and you'll be taking up the test, and once you complete the test, you'll be getting back to WhatsApp discussion group. The speciality here is you'll not know the key. The moment you submit the test, only the test submission will be accepted, but the key or explanations will not be displayed, which means you'll not know which is right and which is wrong. So you'll have an opportunity to debate, discuss the relevant answer as per your opinion based on the knowledge you have in our discussion group. So that's how we are trying to incorporate these Now You Know sessions, because once at the end of this discussion, by the time we complete discussion, I'm sure you'll know why that particular answer is right and how other options can be excluded. So we are launching these 3 key important features pertaining to short-term batch. As I said, role-playing sessions, point and shoot test, Now You Know sessions, right? So we're trying to make learning even more fun and exciting, and obviously it's going to be challenging. Remember, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going, isn't it? So wish you all the best, love you all, and for any queries pertaining to short-term batch, you can just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. If you want to shine like a sun, you need to burn like a sun, isn't it? Love you all.